Oh my goodness, that ride was insane. Well, again, and a very good morning to you guys. Welcome back to the Mariner of the Seas Cruise Vlog episode number 2 for you guys. And today we are heading to Fun Spot. Again, it is currently 11 o'clock in the morning. We're heading to Fun Spot. Parks does not open up till 2. Can't wait to guys to show you my local favorite amusement park. But before we head to Fun Spot, let me say I got a haircut, you know? So I'm officially prepared and ready to head on the Mariner of the Seas. So, again, I'm very excited, and now, without further ado, officially, let's go to Fun Spot. Well, alright everyone, I made it in here to Fun Spot Kissimmee. It is a beautiful day, but it is, again, right after park opening. We got here about 11 minutes after park opening at 2 o'clock. Anyway, our first ride is going to be the Wild Mouse Coaster. I believe this is formerly located in Legoland. I'm not going to film any video on board because Fun Spot's camera policy has most cameras, but I'm going to get you guys some off-ride footage, and you're going to see it and hear my thoughts about it right after this. Well, alright everyone, that was a good ride on Galaxy Spin, formerly Rockstar, here at Fun Spot Kissimmee. Right now we're going to head over to the park premier roller coaster, Mind Blower. This is a gravity group coaster. It was opened up in 2018. In my opinion, since last time riding it, this is my second favorite coaster in Orlando, with the first coaster being Mako at SeaWorld Orlando. Now this coaster is, again, it has some amazing elements. It does have some really nice banked turns. It does do a corkscrew or a zero G roll, whatever you want to technically call it. But a great ride over here at Fun Spot. So I'll let you guys know how I like it. Well guys, that was an amazing ride on Mind Blower. Again, this is my second favorite coaster in Orlando. Now, if you have a chance, come check it out. Even if you're just here for the day, just do it, because there's never a line for it. And also, if you even just come by yourself, it's $10 a ride, which is a great price for that coaster. Or you can pay $50 and $51, and you can get limited rides on that coaster. Again, it's a top one. Also, if you come at night, you'll get a nightly discount, which is pretty cool. Anyway, now we are going to go ahead to the new coaster. This is a Miller coaster. This is located outside of the park, so we're going to take you guys there. Again, this is a brand new, just opened up on Christmas Day, so let's take you there. Everyone, we just came off of Hurricane. This is an E.V. Miller coaster, and this is a great addition to Fun Spot Kissimmee. Again, I would highly recommend this coaster. It's actually very smooth for it being 26 years oldish, but great ride. Anyway, now we're gonna head back over to the main park now and go ride on maybe some more Mind Blower, some go-karts, or some more roller coasters. Let you guys know what we're gonna do right after this. Well, alright everyone, so I just purchased one of these refillable cups. You can get them for $9, and that does include refills all season, and I do have an annual pass to here at Fun Spot. I'm going to be using this a lot. Again, great value here all season, and you get limited refills at this cup. So, as right now, I'm going to be riding the go-karts. Well, alright guys, we just came off of the Vortex here at the Fun Spot Kissimmee, and this is one of 2 go-kart tracks. They used to have 4, but Mind Blower currently occupies the space where the 4th and 3rd go-kart track were. Now, probably we're gonna ride Mind Blower again. I'll let you guys know what if we do ride Mind Blower and more coming up again, all in this episode of the Mariner of the Seas Cruise Vlogs. Well, alright guys, we just came off a few rides on Mind Blower, and again, the stuff on this ride is amazing. Literally, They asked us if we want to go again. There was no line, and we were just riding it for like 3 circuits in a row, no line. We just sat on the train and they just let us go through. Very great. Again, amazing staff here at Fun Spot. Now, again, my last coaster cart in this parking, which is the kiddie coaster. Again, due it to being a middle of the week, the attendants are switching around, so then I'm gonna have to wait in line a little bit. So see you right after I get off the coaster. Okay, well guys, change of plans now. The kiddie coaster is closed for the day, which is kind of sad. The carts aren't even here, so they must be doing maintenance on the carts. Very sad, guys, but oh well. I mean, we got almost every other ride here, so I'm happy, but it's kind of sad that the kiddie coaster is closed. Alrighty guys, so due to the kiddie coaster not being open, we are going to go ride a few trips on Galaxy Spin. This is the newly renamed spinning coaster here at Fun Spot Kissimmee. Well, alright everyone, that was an awesome ride on Galaxy Spin. Again, this is an awesome model. Again, this is an awesome ride. I can highly recommend it. Good airtime if you sit in the middle. Now, just be advised, it is super spinny. If you are prone to motion sickness, don't ride it. But other than that, top of the notch line here at Fun Spot. And also, there was no line for it, so that's another perk of this park. On a middle of the week, on a Friday, Saturday, empty. So come here to Fun Spot and check it out. Well, alright everyone, it is now time to go ride the last ride of the day. We're gonna ride Mind Blower for a few times, and yeah, it's really very sad last ride of the day. Then we're gonna be heading back home, getting a good night's sleep, because tomorrow, guys, it's finally cruise day. Very excited for that. But well, right now, let's go ride some Mind Blower. Well, that about wraps us up here at Fun Spot Kissimmee. Okay, hopefully you guys did enjoy this episode of the Mariner of the Seas Cruise Vlogs. If you guys did, make sure you guys go down below, hit the subscribe button right down below, and ding those notifications bells so you know every time I upload another video in this amazing Mariner of the Seas Cruise Vlog series. Anyway, tomorrow again we are boarding the Mariner of the Seas. Super excited to get back on Mariner. And well, until next time, remember, I'll see you guys later for another video.